Good evening. Okay, today I am going to take some of the problems of rectification of errors. Okay, and I am just reading the problems, and thereby, after reading the problems, I am going to give you the solution for that problem. Now, what is the problem that we come across? The following errors were committed by the accountant of Mrs. Das and Company. First one is cash paid to Ram 520 rupees was posted in his account as 250 rupees. Sales day book was undercast by 1000 rupees. Purchase of stationery rupees 200 were not posted to the stationery account. Next, goods returned by Mr. Banerjee 1500 posted to his account from returns inwards book as 5100. Purchased goods from S. Kishan for rupees 1000 was entered in the purchases day book. Okay, rupees 100. Rupees 500 paid for new furniture was charged to office expenses account. A sale of rupees 500 to PK Sen was passed through the purchases account. Salary paid to Mr. X 500 wrongly debited to his personal account. Rectify the above errors by suitable journal entries wherever necessary, assuming that they were detected before preparation of trial balance. This is a problem that we are coming across, and one by one, the solutions I am going to tell you. Okay, just when you go for the first one, cash paid to Ram 520 rupees was posted to his account as 250. So 520, actual this thing is 520 rupees and it was posted as 250 rupees. So you have to rectify this. So for this, there is no necessity for you to go for a journal entry. The thing is, you have to go for an explanatory notes. Okay. Okay, what is the first one? First one is to correction of wrong posting. To correction of correction of wrong posting. Okay, to correction of wrong posting, how much? Rupees 270. Because actual this thing is 520 rupees, and we have to take into account the difference amount, that is 270 rupees. Okay, the next one is sales day book was undercast by 1000 rupees. Sales day book was undercast by 1000 rupees. So sales day book means sales account. So sales account, it will show a credit balance, so you have to show that. So here the second one is by by correction of by correction of okay undercasting of sales day book sales day book rupees 1000. Okay, rupees 1000. Next, the third one is purchase of stationery rupees 200 were not posted to the stationery account. Okay. Okay. The third one is the third one is third one to correction of to correction of to correction of not posting to correction of omission of posting, sorry, omission of posting omission of posting rupees 200. Next, fourth one. Goods returned by Mr. Banerjee, 1,500 posted to his account from returns inwards book as 5,100. Okay, to correction of wrong posting. Fourth one is to correction of wrong posting. Actually, it is 1,500. But it was posted as 5,100. So the difference amount is 3,600. This is the fourth one. Now the fifth one is okay. The fifth one is purchased goods from S. Kishan for rupees 1,000 was entered in the purchases day book. Okay, rupees 100. Now we are going for the rectification entry. See, he has purchased for 1,000 rupees, but it was shown as 100 rupees. So there is a decrease of 900 rupees. So we have to write that in a rectification entry manner. In rectification entry manner, we have to write. What we have to write? Fifth one. Purchases account debtor. Purchases account debtor 900 to S. Kishan account. S. Kishan account. Okay, 900 rupees. Next, sixth one. Okay, sixth one is 500 rupees paid for new furniture was charged to office expenses account. Here, office expenses is irrelevant. So we have to show that in purchase account, but it was shown in office expenses. So when you want to remove that, you have to show the furniture where it was to be, where it has to be posted. You have to show that in the furniture account. So the entry is furniture account debtor to office expenses account office expenses account. What is the amount? 500 rupees. Next, after that, a sale of rupees 500 to PK Sen was passed through the purchases book. See, we are making a sale. So we have to show that as a sale but not as a purchase. So you have to remove that from purchases. So when it was treated as purchases, it will appear on the debit side. So when you want to show that, you have to show that on the credit side. Thereby the purchase account will be nullified. It will come to an end. So you have to show that. Now seventh entry is PK Sen account debtor. You have to add double the figure because we have to remove the purchases account and you have to show that in sales account. So what is the amount? 500 rupees plus 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees. You have to double that to purchases account 500
to sales account 500, because we are making a sale. Mind it, we are making a sale. So this is the entry. PK sale account debtor 1000 rupees to purchase account 500 to sales account 500. Next, last one. Salary paid to Mr. X 500 rupees wrongly debited to his personal account. Okay, we are paying salary. When we are paying salary, we have to show that as a salary but not to his personal account. It was shown in the personal account. That's what he is telling. Salary paid to Mr. X rupees 500 wrongly debited to his personal account. Wrongly debited to his personal account. So this thing we should be eliminated. Okay, X account must be eliminated. So you have to show that. In what way? Eighth entry. Salary account debtor 500 to X account 500. Like this, you will come across the various rectification entries. Okay, with this I am closing, and tomorrow, in the next class, I am going to take into account the suspense account, all those things. Thank you.